Sino ang reaction shot of the day winner ngayong gabi?
Ikaw na ang mahal ko.
Ang iyong reaksyon talagang malupit. Kaya 10,000 iyong makakamit. 936-2551 iyong tatawagan. Si Daki Dakanay, hanapin mo lamang. Lahat talaga gustong maging talentado kasama ang mga tiyonggo. Kahit si Chitae talagang nag-audition. Ikaw, ano pa ang hinihintay mo? Baka ikaw na ang susunod na tutungtong sa entablado ng talentadong Pinoy.
Nagbabalik ang pinakamalaking talent show on television, ang Talentadong Pinoy. Sigurado ako marami sa ating mga lalaki, one time in their lives ay sinasabing, I want to be Richard Gomez. Paano ba naman? Guwapo, matipuno, all-around athlete, loving husband and father at higit sa lahat, matangkad. That is why we are proud to have him as part of our Talentadong Pinoy family. So Goma, here's our little gift for you. Panoorin mo to.
Dito sa Talentado, pinagkakaguluhan hindi lang talento, kundi pati kagwapuhan. Hindi naman nakapagtataka dahil magkaroon ka ba naman ng talent scout na kasing dashing and debonair ni Mr. Richard Gomez. Kung si Goma ang maging isa sa ating talentado, panigurado, he will always walk away as the champion. His talent went beyond from his acting to other equally challenging activities. Nagpakita siya ng superb athleticism nang siya ay mag-organize ng popular na Goma Cup para sa mga celebrity golfers. Maliban doon, naging gold medalist ng fencing sa Southeast Asian Games noong 2005. He's the most sought-after leading man and critically acclaimed actor of his generation. Organizer din siya ng mga socially responsible groups katulad ng Mamamayang Ayaw sa Droga o MAD. At higit sa lahat, isa siyang devoted family man.
He always makes time when we play baseball together. We cook together like even if the midnight.
And here in Talentadong Pinoy, we are very happy to see another side of him.
Pero yung lola mo nasa ICU?
Opo.
Mayroon akong konting pera dito. Maghati tayo, ha?
Opo.
Halika, bibigay ko sa'yo.
Thank you po.
Po.
Kaya ngayong birthday mo, Goma, allow us to give back to you the smiles and the laughter.
Ito na yung pagkakataon para talagang umabot tayo dun sa punto na maka-face-to-face mo ang unang-unang babaeng nagpatibok talaga sa puso ni Richard Gomez. Ito po siya, si Cristeta Lagos. At siya rin po ang aking yaya, 25 years na po. Siya po ay 150 years old na. Si Richard po ang una niyang nakilala. Batiin mo si Richard ng happy birthday.
Hi, Goms. Happy birthday.
Best friend, Richard, ano pa bang pwedeng i-wish sa'yo? You almost have everything. Ang wish ko na lang siguro sa'yo, good looks. Sincerely, from the bottom of my heart, I love you. You're my best friend, not only in show business, but in real life.
Happy birthday and thank you for all the years na pinagsamahan natin. Love you.
Happy, happy birthday. I wish you good health always. And thank you for the wonderful friendship.
Happy birthday, Dad. I love you.
Happy birthday, honey. I want you to know just how happy you have made me all these years as your wife, as your friend. I thank you for all the love that you have shown me. You have all the love that you've shown Juliana. Thank you for being a very hands-on father, for being a very loving spouse. I love you and I always have, I always will.
Tunay kang talentadong Pinoy through and through. Happy birthday, Richard Gomez, from your Talentadong Pinoy family.
Richard, happy birthday. And Gusto namin pasalamatan ka dahil alam namin sa busy schedule mo, kahit ano mangyari, you take time out to sit as one of our talent scouts. So palakpakan po natin si Richard.
Thank you so much for that wonderful feature, Ryan. Alam mo, I'll tell you this honestly, I really enjoy your show. I enjoy being in that seat. I enjoy being with your fans, with the viewers. I feel sad pag hindi ako tinatawagan to be a judge of the show. Lalo na pag may taping ako. That's why I tell our manager, si Celeste Pacan, Celeste, when there's an opportunity for me to be here in Talentadong Pinoy, please make sure that I'm here. That's how much I enjoy your show.
Nasasad siya talaga, Ryan, kasi may mga times when he started nagbabagang bulaklak. Di ba pareho ng taping day?
Taping day, yeah.
Sabi niya talaga, pwede ba akong payagan yung sandali lang magtatalentadong Pinoy lang ako. But sometimes hindi talaga pwede.
And I'd like to thank the management, Ryan, for giving me this opportunity. Kahit ginagawa kayo nagbabagang bulaklak, they still give me the time to be a part of your show. I really love the show. I'm enjoying it the way you do, pare.
Thank you very much. And Richard, may mensahe ka ba sa iyong mga tagahanga, milyong-milyon?
Sa mga fans ko, for the past, ilang years na ba ako sa show business? For the past 26 years. Thank you so much for always being there.
And of course, Richard, your cake?
Thank you for the cake.
Ano bang wish mo for your birthday?
Well, ang wish ko talaga, sana matagdagan pa kami na isang baby. No? And sa pagdasal nyo lang na matagdagan pa ako ng isa pang baby. Sa amin dalawa ni Lucy, ha? Okay?
Happy birthday, Richard. And alam namin na ito yung talagang hilig mo, kaya ang Talentadong Pinoy family mo, meron kaming regalo para sa'yo. Please open it.
Oh.
It's my birthday, 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 it's my birthday.
Anak nyo.
Sana ganun kadali, no? Ito na yung anak namin.
It's my birthday, it's my birthday.
Okay to.
Alam namin na, kung di nyo po alam si Richard ay may isa pang hidden talent. At yan ay ang pagluluto.
Thank you so much. I really enjoy cooking, Ryan. You tell me to cook kahit na anong oras, kahit tulog ako, gisingin mo ako para pagluto ka, gagawin ko para siya. That's much I love to cook, pare. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday, Richard
Thank
Gomez.
you.
At this point, let's call back our defending champions and our challenger. The Sarcado sisters and Lito. Lito, handa ka na? Ladies, you ready? Okay. Nakapag-desisyon na ang jury at Talent Scouts. So jury, may we have the final results, please? Our jury for tonight is composed of a college professor, a publishing team leader, a systems administrator, an accounting staff member, an advertising employee, an administrative assistant, a writer, and the chairperson of our jury tonight is a dance choreographer of TV5's newest and biggest drama serye, Nagbabagang Bulaklak, Miss Jonalyn Marquez. Chairman, good evening. Meron na po bang desisyon ng ating jury?
Yes, we have, Ryan.
May I have it, please? Thank you very much, Chairman. A battle of singers, a soloist, and a trio. Skydome, gusto ko malaman, sino ang kampe? Kay Lito! Sino naman ang boto sa Cercados? Good luck. 1/3 of your final scores comes from the Talent Scouts. We know what they think. 2/3 ang mas mabigat ay galing sa ating jury. Yan ang dapat nating alamin. Here we go! 50,000 pesos goes to the winner. At yun ay walang iba kundi Cercado Sisters! very much. Your 10,000 pesos. Maraming salamat. Mercado Sisters, it's the 4th step towards the Hall of Fame. You're halfway there. Keep in mind what the scouts have to say, and here's another 50,000 pesos. Thank you very much. Ako si Ryan Agoncillo at ito ang pinakamalaking talent show ng bayan.